Message to light up your heart. The light you seek in the world already shines within you. In moments of uncertainty, silence your mind and listen to the voice of your heart. God dwells within you, guiding your steps with love and wisdom. Trust, for your light is strong enough to dispel any darkness. May this message bring peace and renewal to your journey. Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. May peace and light be with you. Today, I want to share a special prayer to strengthen your inner light. If you feel like you need more peace, faith and hope, this prayer is for you. Prepare your heart and allow the divine presence to surround you. Here is a prayer to strengthen your inner light. Prayer for inner light. Divine Creator, infinite source of love and light. Illuminate my soul with your holy presence. May your light shine within me, dispelling all darkness. Bringing peace where there is unrest. Hope where there is uncertainty. And strength where there is weakness. Lord, guide my steps on the path of truth and love. May my life be a reflection of your goodness. And may I spread light to everyone around me. Renew my spirit with your grace. And make me an instrument of your peace. Gratitude, Lord, for your light that never goes out. May I always remember that even on the darkest nights, your presence shines within me. Amen. May this prayer bring even more light and serenity to your heart. May this prayer strengthen your soul and rekindle the light that already shines within you. Remember, God is always by your side, guiding every step of your journey. If this message touched your heart, like, share and spread this light to more people. Stay with God and see you in the next video. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. May peace, love and the strength of prayer accompany you and your family. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.